Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about Leadpages versus Squarespace. With over 250 ready-to-use templates and a drag-and-drop builder, you can easily boost your sales and leads. Use Squarespace if design is more important than optimization for conversions. You should give each member of your team specific permissions for editing. Advanced conversion tools are not necessary. You probably don't plan on creating many landing pages for your company. Use Leadpages if creating landing pages and websites that are optimized for conversions is very important. As a small business owner, you may not have the resources to hire a full marketing team. Landing pages are an integral part of any business, and they can help boost sales. Your goal is to improve the effectiveness of your marketing funnel. You can easily DIY digital marketing. We make it so that you don't have to resort to plugins or endure web designer drama. Websites, landing pages, alert bars, and pop-ups. Code-free, drag-and-drop builder. Mobile responsive templates. SEO-friendly pages. Powerful integrations. Opt-in form builder. Real-time conversion tips. Simplified analytics. A/B testing. Try Leadpages risk-free today. Discover why more than 40,000 small business owners choose Leadpages. Select a plan to get started with your free 14-day trial. Thank you. I hope that information helps. If you would like to learn more about that software for your business, please click on the link in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye.